Gold against US dollar this week has rising value. And then we can see what has happened. The week started with a strong bearish candle, after the price in the previous week has formed a strong bullish candle reaching of 2390.94 resistance level. The price formally back down, touched the support, and then continued to rise. Value where we can see that this is the price formed a strong bullish breakout above 2390.94, and then on Friday confirmed the previous resistance, now acting as a support here. The weekly time frame shows us continuation of the bullish trend, and we can see it is a weekly bullish breakout, which is a great formation for the bulls. The monthly time frame shows us currently it is also a bullish breakout, but we have 2 more weeks until this month close. Everything is still open, so we need to wait what happens during the next 2 weeks. But what we can make conclusion on the weekly time frame, we have bullish breakout that needs to be confirmed next week to verify this bullish breakout is a valid one. The best one is to wait and see what happens on the daily time frame. We can see this is a bullish breakout that has been confirmed, so it's very high. It's a very highly likely that this is a continuation of the bullish trend, and what we can see it is something that I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. So for more details, what happens during the day, next week I will cover also on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame. These levels are very important to resistance levels, so where the price will make a breakout and will the price manage to reach again to 450, or it will return below to 390 as support level. This is something that I will cover inside the TradingView with the traders on the daily basis. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.